Do you want to know how to create a Gacha Club OC? Hi, I'm Cora. In this video, I'm going to create a Gacha Club OC. Gacha Club is the latest version of the famous fashion game Gacha Life. OC stands for Original Character. Please keep watching to learn how to make Gacha Club OCs. The first step is to choose a default boy. The second step is to choose a hair and skin color. The third step is to add eyes. You can add any eyes or eye color you like. The fourth step is the mouth. Choose a smile. The fifth step is to choose clothes. You can make the clothing style softy, baddie, or both. Today, I have shared 5 steps on how to create a Gacha Club OC. If you enjoyed this video, please like it now. Also, subscribe to our Speak and Shine Academy channel. We work really hard to bring you educational and entertaining videos. I'm Cora. I'll see you on my next video.